roll up in your ride like life's a drive-through. Got something to prove. Oh no, you're so speechless, trying to rack your brain but coming up with weakness. Your pose needs an editor. Don't approach me like a predator. This ain't a meet and greet. I devise destinies to sink your teeth into my history. Best believe I'll flip it on a different tip. Have you seen in their days? Cause I got beauty and brains. Not an object of desire, cause I'm breaking those chains. Not here to boost your ego, especially when you don't know Mandela from Bigo. Che, you're free to collar. Day and game is muy malo.
Damn, that's a hard pill to swallow. You got a loud ass sound,
but in diminished capacity
to do with shit in front of you.
This actually happened.
You gotta make moves and move it along.
That's why we singing this song. You gotta prove it, prove it, prove it.
Girl, I always got your back.
I'll meet you where you at.
I'm on top of my shit.
Give me time and I'll quit.
I can't come through,
but I'll come through soon. Yeah, prove it, prove it, prove it, prove it.
Okay, I see you on the corner at the bar with your crew. Boy, you talk smooth and it's nice to meet you. Let's kick it cause we both got things in common, like how we both feel like common sold out, but not most. And out of all these views, I feel with you most. Let's get ghost to a spot where we can smoke, roast, and meditate. It's not every day I meet a guy that's so okay with me. I mean, you seem to be. I mean, you got all the theories, but you're not really listening. You take accountability, nah. You posted up like taxidermy on the wall, never willing to take the fall. You always out, always loaded, whine like you a vote-coded, crediting yourself when you can't afford it, cause you got a loud ass mouth,
but a diminished capacity
to deal with shit in front of you.
This actually
you gotta make moves and move it along.
That's why we singing this song. You gotta prove it, prove it, prove it. I promise it's just you and me.
I'm just busy making beats.
I'm down for the community.
Yeah, I read poetry.
I'm out here trying to stack, and I swear I'll pay you back. Yeah, prove it, prove it, prove it, prove
you
it.
overestimate your lifespan. I just keep it zen, man. Fluid on my inner state of mind. You think that you're the fittest to survive, and you're fitted in your ride. You better off betting on intelligent design. You're so reckless. Think you walk on water like the Lord, but you're drowning in your ignorance. All I ask is common sense. Maybe dude was right after all. Where's the passion that you promised me? Christ, you just complaining.
I'm just saying.
Other people struggle too. Yup, surprise. Most people worse than you. Ain't got time for you to open your eyes. I thought that you were down to ride, but your revolution's latent as a rock. Take your shit off, palm, son. And
I don't know why the fuck I'm fucking with you. Had me caught up for a few. It was probably the brew. Now I'm sick of entertaining all the goals you ain't attaining. Sister said it, you're complaining. Plus you lacking common courtesy. You're hurting me. Lots of gamble, words and scramble. Still you ramble and rave. Staying stuck on repeat. Cause it's substitute crave. No tall tales. I ain't pulling your leg. Just trying to stay frank and shooting off at the mouth. Too bad it's a blank.